Oh, that's a stud. A good one. Oh.
That is a snapper.
I got him! You said it's just a snapper.
That was a Tampa Bay stud right there.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to another video. So today we got a very special trip planned. We're gonna be featuring the new Spro jigs, and we're gonna throw pretty much nothing but artificial for grouper. We got some new individuals with us today. Well, they're not new, but you probably haven't seen them in a minute. We got Clay, that's Chris's brother, right there. Then we got Jessica, the grouper queen.
Yes.
And then, you know who that ugly guy is.
Needs a haircut.
That poor guy. Christopher's out here with us, of course. We're on his boat today. And let me show you some of the things we're gonna be throwing. Check out that right there, guys. And you'll get a better look at it. This is the Spro Professional. I think that's a 1.5 ounce. Got a big old 8-inch grub on there. Looks very, very good. We also have this one right there. And I'll show you those more in depth when we get to the spot. So the train just passed. They'll now open this bridge. If Chris will just back away. Just back away, Chris. Back away.
Oh,
back away.
They need to open it,
bro. Look at this. Look at Bill. It looks like he's got a chihuahua under his hat.
Leave his hair alone.
Y'all love it, don't you?
All right, guys, check this out. Look at that. 1.5 ounce Spro Professional 8-inch curly tail. And then I got the bait caster, guys. We're gonna be throwing some different stuff today, waiting on Chris to get us set up. Tide's slowing down. It's gonna be a good day. We're gonna be jigging this, by the way. We're not trolling it, so don't get too excited there. Chris is trying to get us on, or at least near the mark.
And you got me for good luck.
And then Clay says he's good luck.
Clay's awful luck.
Let's go.
Yeah. The grouper queen, are you good luck?
I am great luck.
All right, the grouper queen catches grouper, so there might be opportunity to catch some fish today. Oh, I don't like vegetables, guys, so you gotta take that off of there. See it, Mark? Oh, dang it! And I missed him. Come on! Dude, he about ripped the dang rod out of my hand. That was a freaking stud. That was a stud hit right there, guys, and I just screwed it up. All right, so plans changed. We actually were coming out here to catch grouper on artificial using the Spro jigs. I did get one hit, but the grouper weren't cooperating. So sometimes you got to have a couple different plans. I had a plan A, and we went plan B. Plan B was to catch a few live baits to maybe target snapper and grouper using the live bait. And that's what we were doing, using a knocker rig to target these Tampa Bay snapper. We're gonna try to find a solid one, hopefully some 17, 18-inch fish today. Stay tuned, should be a good time.
It's like,
Oh! Oh, damn, that's a snapper. Holy smokes. Oh, I got your line.
oh, bro.
Come on, man.
Like, this is a weird group.
That's why it felt so big. You're over there reeling in my fish? Yeah, I'm recording.
Your thing is dirty.
What? How's that?
Do I look better, guys?
Wow, no. Not like I really see you. That was on a pinfish. Thought I had a monster right there.
Chris, we need to go offshore and get some monsters.
You'd be very impressed with the mommy out there for how far we went.
Oh, that's a stud. Dang. He fought harder than the other two. I almost got a limit of snapper, guys.
What is snapper?
5 per person. Well, what do you think about that? Look how beautiful that fish is.
We eventually need to make it one.
Maybe I'll make some fresh snapper for dinner.
Here you go, babe. Are we gonna cook those up soon?
We could.
I'll fillet them.
Cook them up, why not?
Might be
nothing to eat.
Might be a couple little bones.
Fillet them.
Alright, going back down, straight down here. I'll show you guys what I'm using. Right now I had the Cedros 4000 and then the Akuma SRT Inshore Premier. You got it. I'm using a little knocker rig and a 1/0 Gamakatsu.
Chris, is that another version of our boat right there? No.
Hooking these right in the anal fin here. You got a weight on her for her?
Yeah. Oh, you're using a knocker.
Oh, they're everywhere, dude. They're stacked right here. You know what we need to do, Chris? Shrimp at this spot.
We're gonna have some nice snapper sandwiches.
They're a little smaller.
That rock has to be really
He ate a pinfish. Well, me and Chris put the GoPro down here the other day.
in the water.
And yeah, we saw the snapper on the GoPro. Matter of fact, that's all we really saw.
Have you ever scuba dived the Skyway at all?
Heck no. No, I know what's over there. I'm good with that. Big everything. Water visibility is horrible.
Yeah. When is the best time of year for water?
Winter.
Winter?
Oh, she's got a fish. It's swimming back towards her.
Go.
Watch this be a big.
Go. There you go. Pull them up.
Watch it be a big ass
Need the net?
shark.
Shark.
Like, this isn't a
Need the net?
He's not gonna go.
The shark queen.
You want net?
Come on, Jessica. That pinfish is trying to fight for his life right now. All right, that's a nice one. Like, I'm sitting there watching it swim to the front of the boat.
I thought I was bringing
That's a black tip too.
I just
Chris, you'll turn the light on.
happy.
See if Chris loses a finger like that guy on the web here.
You probably got that thing.
Oh, damn, that's a grouper. Maybe not, actually. That is a snapper. Holy smokes.
Look at that cute little guy.
That's what we want. Oh, we'll get a picture with her of that one.
Yeah, drop that come up in there.
Clay, can you throw that pinfish back in there?
He ruined his day. He was just swimming casually.
It looks like the same one I caught the other day.
That's a nice little shark.
Here, Clay. You catch one. Oh.
It's the wrong
Get
side.
ready. Get ready. What happened?
He bit through it. I'm gonna drop it.
All right, I'm gonna let them catch
You're gonna
these.
watch Clay do
I
this.
caught a limit, by
Wait
the way.
till Clay does this. Pray for that boy. I don't know what he does some days.
It's the wrong side.
I don't know what you're talking about. Why don't you have a fish yet? Drop it to the bottom. So reel it back in. You should already caught a fish.
You said just take it.
There ain't go pump. You got to pump, you rookie.
Come on, Clay. There you go.
That a boy.
Yeah.
I think it's a grouper though.
It looked like you put it on.
Wants to be a 22-inch snapper, bro. Hold on, babe.
Oh. Oh. Yeah, see what's going on? The grouper are gonna move in now and take over. So that's fine, because that's kind of what we wanted to do. You need a bait?
Woo.
These little ones are perfect. They like
Yeah,
these.
Chris just threw the bait in the water.
I did not. I hooked him. He fell right off.
Those are little snacks right there. Oh, he broke me off, I think. No, he didn't. You're not getting anything. Well, but you see, I'm showing you how to do it.
I'm going right to the bottom.
Am I not sitting here showing you exactly how to do it?
Josh, I'm going right. Watch it. Ready? Right.
Just keep swimming. Just keep swimming.
You in a purple tang yet?
Oh, yeah.
What's that? Is that trash floating in the water?
Yep.
How are you getting bites?
Oh, that's a little bit. Another snap.
Still a keeper. I'll throw him in there. We'll call him.
How's that a keeper?
That's an 11-inch fish.
Yes.
I almost got a 2-person limit. What are you guys doing, Clay? What's the grouper queen doing?
No, you literally took it from me. You said, here, let me show you.
No, I tried to give you it back.
All right, so here's the rig that I've been using today, guys. This is a little knocker rig with a Gamakatsu hook. This is actually a little larger hook. Looks to be a 3.0 Gamakatsu Nautilus hook. And then we go up to 20-pound leader. So that's essentially the entire rig. Really nothing to it. This is the SRT Inshore Premier, and this is the 7-foot medium heavy 10 to 20 pound class, equipped with the Cedros CJ 4000H. Let's talk about how I've been hooking the baits today. So check it out. These little greenbacks were very effective, and so were the pinfish. What we do is we just hook these right in the back, just like this. All right. Then what we want to do is use, like I said, the weight is as light as we can get away with, either a 1/4 ounce or 1/2 ounce, depending on the winds and current. So now I'm just letting it go straight down. You want to make sure your drag's all the way tight. Now, you have to be on the bottom. If you're not on the bottom, you're probably not catching them when the current's moving, because those fish, they don't want to come up in the water column because of the current. So they stay behind structure or stay close to the bottom to try to stay out of that current and not work as hard as they would have to if they were up in the column. Now, what I essentially do is I kind of get it to the bottom, and then I slowly pull it up and then let it fall back down. And a lot of times you'll get that bite when you slowly pull up. So right now I'm just waiting.
A good one.
Oh,
That is a
I got him! You said it just a snapper. Whoa! What? What?
Tang.
Is that big?
Oh man, is that big? That's a nice inshore snapper right there.
Daddy.
Look at that, right in the corner.
They've been eating all the chunk.
About to lose a finger.
Put your finger in the smell.
You're liable to lose a finger to one of these things. Holy smokes, boys and girls. That's a Tampa Bay stud right there. All right, guys, this is Clay's third time trying to back up a trailer and a truck.
It's my first time backing up at a boat ramp.
Now he's gonna be trying to put this thing in. It's gonna be good. Let's see what happens. This is doing pretty well. He had it. Why'd he do it? Why'd he change it? So far, Clay is doing rather well for a rookie. Nice. I'm actually impressed. All right, one little mistake he didn't correct for. That's all right. So you pull up and reset. Just like that. Nice. And then you try not to deviate too much. Keep the wheel as straight as possible. Once you get straight, like he's kind of already messed that up a little bit, but if you pull up straight, you should be coming straight back essentially. But he's doing all right. There you go. Yep. Yep. Straighten it up. Very nice. Dang, I'm proud of this kid. Hey, I gotta give you props, Chris. That's pretty good. Me, he's a little crooked. Hey, straighten up a little bit, Clay.
Just straighten up a little bit.
That's pretty good. I'll give that to you. There you go. How you feel there, buddy?
Not too bad.
That was pretty good.
Did a couple wrong cuts, but that's all right.
That's all right. Yeah, when you pull up straight, you usually don't want to try to deviate in it. You want to try to keep the wheel as straight as possible and come right back. But other than that, you did pretty good.
Yeah.
All right.
Not too bad. Ready to go back?
No,
he's good.
you good? What's going on over here? Are you cleaning these, Jessica? All your fish?
No.
You're not cleaning them?
No.
You look tired, Jessica.
I'm really tired. I've had a rough past few days.
Yeah. That's that RN life.
Yeah.
Hey, what's going on, Christopher?
Dude, come look at this water.
It's disgusting. I literally took my glasses off.
It's just rainwater.
Nah. You couldn't even see in the live well.
Yeah, it looks like a snapper massacre.
Like, I actually couldn't see anything in there.
Where are we cleaning all of them?
Toadfish, I guess.
Where?
Toadfish.
Our shirt, they've already printed the shirt, so that's not happening.
All right, guys, that's a wrap. We're over here at Beanie's Sports Bar. For you guys that are local, you know the spot. Here's my baby. Oh, yeah. There's Jessica, Christopher, Clay, Stephanie. So, guys, plans deviated a little bit today. I'm glad we caught the bait, and they just weren't chewing on the artificial today. Sometimes that's how it works. So I'm gonna hand you over to Chris. He's gonna tell you what he thought about today. And yeah.
We did actually.
Just give him my take. What a beautiful day in the Tampa Bay, guys. Actually, yeah, we didn't really get accomplished what we set out to do, but that was pretty much because we're assuming the tides were a little different today than they were the last time we tried it. So we were hitting a little bit different tides. Sometimes that's how it goes when you go out there. So it's every day you go out in the water, you learn something new. Every single spot is completely different, especially in the Tampa Bay. You know, you could hit it one day, it'd be great. The next day, it'd be horrible. So just keep getting out there, keep learning. Other than that, I think we had a pretty productive day and learned some things. Got some good video content. Make sure you guys follow us on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and subscribe to us here on YouTube.